What's up guys, me Luke Sunday Dude. Welcome to Beyblade X CX. We got Courage Dran / 660 Vortex, I think. From the box we can see it's blue, it's got paint on it. Man, this thing looks sick. Here's your parts on the back, your lock chip, your blade, auxiliary blade, your slash 660, and your vortex bit. Let's let it rip, shall we? Toss the proto launcher inside. Here are your parts, let's get them out. Pretty cool that Hasbro is finally releasing all these newer CX stuff, because the car told me has them for like quite a little bit already. So I've been going to tournaments as well, so these parts will, I'm gonna try to use some combos that with the CX parts. Let's take a look at the parts here. You got your blade, your main blade. 3 points, just like Dran sword. But this one has bigger gap. Man, this thing is thin though. You got your lock chip with the Dran avatar. The slash assist blade. It's got jagged corners. Supposedly it would have more attack power. We got 660, so 6-sided points with a 60 height. I like this translucent like blue, like a Gatorade blue. The blue one. We got vortex. It's basically a right spinning version of the one from Cobalt Dragoon. Now let's put the Beyblade parts together. You take your assist blade, put it onto the layer, just like that. Here's a kill code. And then they'll have like more attack power on the sides. Put your lock chip right in the center. Take your bit and turn it clockwise. There you go, it's locked now. Put on your ratchet. Bam. Bit together. This thing's all so beefy, holy. Alright, moving on to test battle and test spin. Alright, so moving on to the test battles, we're gonna do a test spin first of Courage Dran. 3, 2, 1. Type loses stamina pretty quick. Can barely catch the wave. Alright, time for some test battles. Huge hit. Holy. Rip the left spin launcher. Oh. Stock combo not as good. It's mostly hitting this assist blade, so I think it's a little bit too tall. Alright, that concludes this battle unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.